Yes, you who work with food and drink, just wait a minute, stop and think. No matter where around the world, a hive of knowledge we've unfurled. You're starting up or trying to grow, discover all you need to know. The work's been done, we've cleared the mess, compile it all for your success. So you can be a busy bee, or come where information's free. There's expert help to educate. You may be good, but could be great. Our trainings put you to the test to help you be your very best. Where action plans and tools are meant to execute and implement. Or be a bizzer, one-stop shop for you to optimize your crop. We inform, educate, empower, so soon your seeds can start to flower. We feed the minds of those who feed the world. Ingredients you'd care to source, well, are there links here? Yes, of course, with easy access now online to save you all the wealth of time. The craft beer sure would suit your pen. Here's what you need and how you can. A product launch in China, please, for dairy, chocolate, meat or cheese. And regulation, there's a sting, but hold on, we've got just the thing. For every country there's a guide of standards, rules you should abide. We trawl through time and scour the nations for best in practice innovations. Makes a difference how it's packed. If to all senses it's attractive. Be a bizzer, one-stop shop for you to optimize your crop. We inform, educate, empower, so soon your seeds can start to